Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Mops on the Tosima W5 window cleaning robot. So the first thing that we're going to do is flip our robot on its cleaning side, so on these little vacuums right here. And then we're going to take the Mops. So this is what the Mops look like. And we're just going to take one and just pull it on over a single disc. So you're going to do it like this, and just pull the rest back on like that. So this is what it should look like. Just make sure that it's just nicely stuck in all the parts, and do the same thing with the second one. Just pull it on one side like that, and then just take the rest and just pull it on. So there we go, that's the second done. Check that it's nicely stuck everywhere, and that's how it should look like. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.